So what are you up to?
Well, this is just getting the chainsaws ready for a little wood collection. So
Right.
these are the very inexpensive Greenworks 16-inch chainsaws, and I'm just throwing some bar and chain oil in there. And it's just handy to have a couple of them, and you don't have to bring the chain oil or anything. You just put a battery in each one and they're ready to go. If I can open this. Okay, there we go.
How often, can you explain again, how often do you have to do this?
Each battery, when one battery runs out, that's about the right time to refill the bar oil.
That's frequent.
Yeah, and this is all season bar oil, so it's just about as easy to bring the second chainsaw as to bring the bar oil and an extra battery. So you might as well just bring two saws already set up, and that's a nice little cartload of wood. And then we'll just bring that back and have them charge. I'll just get the batteries. Yeah, the 4 amp hour batteries last just about the right amount of time, about 20 minutes of full-time work, and then the chain oil runs out.
Thank you for the explanation.
You're welcome.